Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Compact Countertop Dishwasher. One of our favorite features of the BLACK+DECKER portable dishwasher is how easy it is to use. With a variety of wash cycles and a heated dry setting, this dishwasher is perfect for anyone looking for convenience and efficiency. Its sleek design and ENERGY STAR certification make it a modern addition to any kitchen. The compact size allows the dishwasher to fit on your countertop, eliminating the need for hand washing. With 7 wash cycles selected through the LCD control panel, this dishwasher is both user-friendly and intuitive. The heated dry setting ensures that your dishes are ready to use once the cycle is finished, saving you time and effort. We also love the 90-minute rapid wash feature, allowing you to quickly clean your dishes and get back to using your kitchen sink. The stainless steel tub and upper and lower spray arms ensure a thorough clean. However, it's worth noting that this dishwasher may not perform as well with stickier messes or dried-on residue, so pre-rinsing may be necessary. While this dishwasher has enough space for up to 6 place settings, it's important to consider that this is based on plates with a diameter of 10 inches or less. If you're creative with how you load the dishwasher rack, you may be able to fit fewer, larger plates as well. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER Compact Countertop Dishwasher is a reliable and efficient option for those seeking convenience in their kitchen.